We guide you through how to fix an Outlook encryption error so you can send emails without interruption. First thing you need to do is close Outlook and reopen it. Then check for updates to make sure you are using the latest version. Next, open File, go to Options, then Trust Center, and click Trust Center Settings. From there, select Email Security and review your encryption settings. If you are not required to send encrypted email, turn off Encrypt Contents and Attachments for outgoing messages and try sending the email again. For work or school accounts, make sure your security certificate is valid and not expired. If the problem still happens, remove your email account from the Outlook and add it back to refresh the security and encryption configuration. After completing these steps, Outlook should work normally without showing encryption errors.